Alright guys, this is another 52-inch white Harbor Breeze New Orleans ceiling fan here at my friend's house in the basement. Now this one's a little different now. This one has 5 light kits, which I'm gonna have to leave the light on because there's no window in here. It's always dark and the closet light is not really bright, so I'm just gonna make this quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and I want to sit down here. This one has 6 blades. This is a very nice fan. Well, that feels good. Gotta make this video quick because I'm kind of hungry. I'll try to make more after I get done eating, so I want to make this video quick. So, yeah, low, medium. Now this one has medium, which does work. Ooh, that feels good. And by the way, all these lights are LED too. Now most of the fans here, not all of them have LED lights because I don't have any more. This fan has LED lights in it, so that does feel good. All right, medium, and here's high. Ooh, that feels good. It does wobble a little bit. Good. I don't want to drop my camera. I don't want to break it. See? And yeah, these are the pull chains, and the sign that says Harbor Breeze is actually over here. See? Harbor Breeze. Yeah. That does wobble and shake a little bit, but it does feel good. Well, that feels good. Turn it back to low. Again. Once again, if you notice how when it goes up, the fan spins to the right, and then when you pull air down, it pulls air down. See? Alright, now we're gonna, oops. Alright guys, there y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed. There y'all go. Until then, thanks for watching. That's it.